Yes, baby. Yes. Freedom. You better sprinkle that. Listen, you just have to swirl it and everything. Hey, look at his face. He's like, I need you now. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Cindy, the LD Educator, and this is part 2 of Top Shelf Junior High School Edition. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. The kiddos did an absolutely amazing job. Matter of fact, I'm hungry for some chicken and waffles now. If you have not subscribed, please do so.
We have gloves here. Remember, make sure you're using your gloves when you're touching raw chicken. So this is going to be sort of your process here. So what I'm going to let you do is you can put flour on your plate, right? So you'll shake a little flour on your plate. You can carry it over to the spice section. We have a lot of different spices. I'll show you just a couple of them. So of course we got some salt, we got some pepper, garlic. Some of these you may be familiar with: seasoned salt, nutmeg, put cinnamon in your waffle, whatever you want to do. These are pretty cool for garnish. These are like sesame seeds. Use these if you want to make like an Asian type waffle, right? We got a little curry if you want to do like an Indian type waffle, right? We have some sugar, brown sugar, this is powdered sugar. So of course, so you can put a little melted butter in your waffle mix if you want. So the waffle mix is already made for you all, right? So it's in these bowls at each waffle station. So all you have to do is get a little plastic bowl, scoop some waffle mix in your bowl, and then you can come over here, you can put whatever you want in your waffle. So you can put some fruit in your waffle, right? You can put spices in your waffle mix, whatever you want to do. If I were you, I would wait until it's almost time. So you guys are going to have about 30 minutes to cook. Wait until it's about 5 to 10 minutes left, and then make your waffle. That way it stays super hot, okay? So you can top this stuff with waffle. We did the onions. If you want to do onions the same way, we got some jalapenos. Maybe you want to make a spicy chicken and waffle. Maybe you want to try something different. Put some vegetables in your waffle. We have spinach. We got berries. We have apples, oranges. These are just some herbs you can put on top. Some cilantro, scallions just to put it on top, make it look nice. Okay. So remember, when we're over here, we'll go back over here. So all you're gonna do is, and we're gonna split you all up into like twos. Okay, so 2 of you all will be doing your chicken, 2 of you all will be working on your waffles and what kind of waffle you want to make. 2 of you all will be working on your toppings. So remember I was like, hey, I'm gonna put the avocado or the balsamic. So you'll decide what kind of toppings you want to put on top, right? So you can put flour in here, season it up, come back, or you can use breadcrumbs if you want, whatever you want to use. Just make sure you're using gloves at this station, and then we'll keep our hands clean, okay? And then all of us will be walking around helping you. So if you have any questions, we'll be here to help. But remember, you just got to be thinking creative and say, oh yeah, I want to do something different, okay? Don't be scared to try something new, all right? So there's a lot of different flavors to try something, okay? Then when you're done, once you have your chicken cooked and it's in your pan, right? We have pans right here with everybody's name on it. So when your chicken is done cooking, remember how we cooked it on both sides? And then what's the magic number? 170. So that's our magic number. So when you say, hey, Will, I think my chicken's done, I'm going to come around, I'm going to put a thermometer in it, and we'll see if it's done. If it's done, we'll put it in the pan, and we'll just hold it in the oven. Can you turn that down to like 275?
Now, we do check it out before we check our thermometer. Can we put it back in there?
Yes, put it back in the grease. You definitely want to put it back in the grease. Okay. Yeah. We'll put it in here, and then we'll hold your waffle and your chicken in the oven, and then you can go ahead and work on your other elements. When you're ready to plate it up, we got plates right here, so you can plate it however you want. All right, it's a lot of different things. So let me show you these little cups. Right? I'm not giving any ideas. I'm just saying it's stuff to do. Okay. So maybe you want to make a skewer, right? You can make put your chicken and your waffles on the skewer, right? You can do that. I'm throwing out ideas. Yeah, barbecue stick. Yeah, you can make maybe a little sauce. You can put it in a little cup, right? Put the cup on your plate. Whatever you want to do. Be creative. Think outside the box. You can use these little white bowls. Maybe you want to do like a little chicken and waffle. I'm not sure. Whatever. Okay. I just want you all to think. And then of course, if you have any questions, we'll be here to help. Okay. So let's count off 1, 2, 3.
I love your knife cutting skills. And those
hey, yo, what? I'm here going crazy with the knife. This thing over here looking like Chipotle. Okay.
Like honey? Okay. So
Oh, we have whipped cream and ice cream in the freezer as well as toppings, okay?
It's a jalapeno with some pepper. So it makes something. It makes something spicy.
I think you got a good amount though. Yeah, I think you measured yours out really well. This is literally perfect.
I really didn't know. I just
You're just a natural.
Tell me what's in this sauce.
Peaches, honey, and cinnamon.
Peaches, honey, and cinnamon?
Yes.
Oh my. AJ, you want to put a hot sauce in yours?
Just a little bit.
Okay. Just a little bit. Bless it, AJ.
You ready?
Supposed to be cooking.
I'm done.
You better go, Ashanti.
Where did AJ just sneeze?
I've been watching cooking shows since I was 4.
Oh, that's good.
So I get a little punch on there. The food name is Diamond. And what I have on it is whipped cream, strawberries, and blueberries, then chicken, and then I have smoothies for y'all.
Okay.
Made with blueberry and strawberry and with honey.
Oh,
Nice. Okay. Oh, we got a little
wow.
Okay. All right.
What about your sauce? How'd you make that?
The sauce, I grind it up by using peaches and cinnamon and honey.
Is that in that cup right there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
But it's also on the waffles.
wow.
It's on the waffle too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead, bring it in here though, because I have a feeling I'm gonna like it.
You said
Cinnamon,
cinnamon, peaches, and honey. Oh wow.
Oh, that, yeah.
That-
I see that. Oh, cool.
Looks like a
Are you pretty proud of your dish?
Yeah.
You should be. Okay, all right. We're gonna give it a taste, and then we'll call you back. Okay. First of all, man, I want to say that you all did an outstanding job. I know I put a lot. Yeah, climb up to the center. I gave a lot of information in like 15 minutes, right? So I know you all learned some things. What's our magic number today?
170.
170. 170. Yeah, so that's what we're doing when we're cooking chicken. You did a great job cooking your chicken and waffles. We saw a lot of creative dishes. We had some tight scores. I'm not gonna lie. I will let you know that you could get a perfect score was a 160, and nobody had less than 100 points. So everybody's it was very, very tight. All right, so great job to everybody. I'm gonna give some drum roll. In third place, we have Nathan. My man came through with the honey peach cinnamon glaze on top of his chicken and waffles. It was a whole problem. Okay, a whole problem.
That sauce was fine.
That sauce was crazy. In second place, She created her dish was called
Diamond.
Right? She played it like a waffle crostini. It was outstanding.
Outstanding.
She gave us a little beverage to taste, like a little bitty smoothie. She gave us a little shooter glass. You know, it was absolutely wonderful. So Shanti, great job to you.
Yes.
In first place. Talk to y'all.